Hello friends, this is a crochet simple headband. I have made this headband for myself, and in this pattern I am using this type of yarn. This is a multicolor yarn. Made in Turkey, and this one 100% acrylic yarn, and you take this type of yarn and one 3.5 mm crochet hook and one tapestry needle. Let us start from slip knot and make 22 foundation chains. 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 total 22 stitches, and then I am going to the second chain from my hook and make one half double crochet and make one half double crochet in the every stitch in this round. I have completed my first round. Then make 1 2 chain, count as a first half DC, and I am going to the next stitch. So here I am working only the back stitch. Make 1 half DC in every back loops of the previous stitch. And you repeat the same stitch 20 or 22 times, and after that I will teach you how to make the next step. I have completed my size of the headband. I have made the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 lines of the half basic, and then you take your tapestry needle, and this is the front side, and that one is the back side work, and you fold it in equal portion, and then you fold it 3 equal portion. and then you take your needle and sew it. I have sew it, and then this is the back side portion, and then you turn it. This is the front side, and I have finished my headband. And if you want to make the small or big size, then you can do it. And this is a very simple project, simple design of the headband. And if you want to make the one color, you can use the one color yarn. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.